There are two vaccines currently being used in India against COVID-19. One is called Covaxin and the other one is Covishield. Both are DCGI approved and have been proven to be safe and also seem to work reasonably well. There is no head-to-head comparison between these two vaccines, so one cannot choose one vaccine over the other. Both vaccines prevent a person from going into severe state of the disease. Covaxin is an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus vaccine which is developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and National Institute of Virology, whereas Covishield is a chimpanzee adenovirus vaccine which is developed by Serum Institute of India. Covaxin uses inactivated virus approach, also used in making rabies and polio vaccine. When you get Covaxin, you are basically getting injected with actual SARS-CoV-2 virus particles which are inactivated. An inactivated virus will not cause any infection in your body. It's basically powerless, but it will do one thing: help our body make SARS-CoV-2 specific antibodies. The mechanism of an inactivated virus is simple. When Covaxin is administered, the T cells and B cells detect the inactivated virus particles. The T cells are responsible for producing memory T cells that remembers the virus, and the B cells are responsible for producing virus-specific antibodies, basically preparing our body for future infections. Covishield uses chimpanzee adenovirus approach, a vector-based vaccine also used in making vaccine for viruses like Ebola. When you get Covishield, you don't get injected with actual SARS-CoV-2 virus, but you instead get injected with an adenovirus, which is a specific strain of virus that causes common cold in chimpanzees. Adenovirus used in Covishield is modified to carry a coronavirus gene. When Covishield is administered, the adenovirus enters the living cell and the modified gene instructs the cell to produce SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins and display it on the surface of the cell. These spike proteins are then detected by the T cells and B cells, and our body starts building immunity. The difference is Covishield is using adenovirus to make the spike protein present on the surface of the coronavirus, and Covaxin is using actual coronavirus. The efficacy rate of Covaxin is 81%, whereas the efficacy rate of Covishield is 70%. As far as the dosage regimen for both are concerned, both of these vaccines follow a two-dose regimen given 4 to 6 weeks apart in case of Covaxin and 6 to 8 weeks apart in Covishield. Covaxin works well against most variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Scientists demonstrated the neutralization period of Covaxin against the UK and Brazil variants, while data for the South Africa variant is being generated. Covaxin has been found to be effectively neutralize the double mutant strain of India. Coming to the side effects of the vaccine, side effects are normal in any vaccine, so these effects should not be a matter of concern in taking vaccine. The side effects which can occur are fever, headache, muscle pain, tiredness, mild vomiting, diarrhea, and in case of Covishield, blood clotting is also the side effect with a frequency rate of 1 in 1 lakh, whereas no such side effect is present in Covaxin. Here are some contraindications in taking the vaccine. The persons with any history of allergies or with bleeding disorders like hemophilias, or women who are pregnant, planning to conceive, or are breastfeeding should avoid taking vaccine. No other vaccine should be taken with COVID vaccine, or there should be a preferable gap of 14 days between COVID vaccine and any other vaccines. Interchangeability of vaccine is not permitted. The second dose should also be of the same COVID-19 vaccine which was administered as the first dose. Vaccine is deferred for 4 to 8 weeks in persons with active symptoms of SARS-CoV-2 virus, recipients of convalescent plasma, or persons who are acutely unwell and hospitalized patients.